Ensure the binders are secure before the crane engages the lift. Watch the hand signals closely, trainee.
We need to verify the clearance for the main bearing assembly here.
The current iteration shows a 3% tolerance, sir.
See how the stress is distributed across this segment.
Yes, the thermal management system needs optimization in this area.
Stand by for transfer.
Easy now, center it up. Looks good from here. Pins engaged, lock her down, confirm.
Penetration depth is consistent with the parameters.
Acknowledged. Monitoring the temperature differential.
We have the cutter secure.
Roger that, bring it forward slowly. All cranes, synchronized descent, 5 millimeters.
Roger, holding steady.
Clear on the west side, keep coming down slowly.
Firm green light on sector 4.
Solid alignment. Proceed with the sequence check.
Slow descent, we are almost there. Watch the alignment pins.
Roger that. Moving into position now.
We have contact, secure.
Watch the clearance on the hoist. Okay, easy now, we're almost seated. Clear on the left. All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Copy that, moving left.
Check the pressure on line 4.
Reading steady at 200 bar.
Okay, initiate the articulation sequence.
Check the velocity on duct 7.
It's holding steady. We have a confirmed pass. The RTD probe is secure. Check the readout. Temperature stable. Manifold pressure looks good.
Coverage is comprehensive across all zones.
Pressure is holding steady. We are good to go.
Does the alignment look good on your end?
Yes, it's perfectly straight. Let's start the squeegees from the middle.
All parameters are within tolerance. The gloss reading is 95 GU.
Confirmed. Ready for integration.
Bring the shield forward another 10 centimeters, slowly. Watch the clearance here.
Acknowledged. Moving forward at 5 millimeters per second.
Watch your clearance on the right. Slow and steady.
Copy. Slowing down now. Team 3, confirm alignment on subassembly 4. We are proceeding with the main lift.
Affirmative. Alignment confirmed. Ready for lift.
Copy that.
Torque verified. Section 4.
Hydraulic line secure. No leaks.
Conduit 22 terminated and checked.
All systems check green.
Cabin pressurized. We are ready for activation.
Radio check.
Systems are within specifications. We are ready for deployment.
The vibration analysis passed spec at 98%.
Okay, I'll update the certification system now. We are clear for final approval. Ensure all non-destructive tests are logged immediately.
We are showing green across the board for the forward shield.
Excellent. Keep the documentation precise.
All right, team, we have confirmation on the shield disconnect. Moving to the next section. Over.
All right, hold it steady. Move it left. Clear on this side. Settle it down.
Final inspection complete.
Copy. Driver. Escort is in position. Let's move out.
500 feet, continue straight onto the main access road.
Control, this is Sierra 1. We have green light for departure. Gates are opening.
Everything in order here. Proceed to the main shaft. Keep coming back slow. Watch the left side.
We must ensure the lubrication system is fully pressurized before startup.
And the alignment tolerances for the main bearing.
Lowering section 1, shaft 7. Maintain descent rate. Confirmation on platform 3.
Watch the alignment on the left side. Okay, easy now, easy. We did it!
Yes, it's fully integrated. Let's go!
Surface support, this is TBM operator Okonkwo. All systems are green. Requesting permission to initiate advance.
Check the gasket on ring 42. Looks good. Deflection is within tolerance.
Control, we are on target and maintaining alignment. Progress confirmed.
Look at the cutter wear pattern here in Sector 4. The penetration rate dropped significantly yesterday. We need to adjust the thrust parameters for the new design.
Steady now, you are moving too quickly. Let the metal flow together. Watch the angle.
Torque on the main bearing needs adjustment before the next run.
Okay, I've noted that. We just finished calibrating the hydraulic press. It's within tolerance now.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This machine represents the pinnacle of modern engineering and our commitment to progress.
We are proud to deliver this machine on time.
Thank you. We look forward to its operation.